To turn off search history on YouTube, open the YouTube app. Click on your profile picture. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, go ahead and click on Settings and then select Manage All History. This will take you to the YouTube history page. Here you'll see an option that says Saving Your YouTube History. Click on that. You'll see various options. For managing your history, look for Include Your Search on YouTube. Simply uncheck the box next to Include Your Searches on YouTube. Click. On pause. By doing this, YouTube will stop saving your search history, and that's it.